Miss Nancy from Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home. And I'm talking about toddler terrain today. As often as you can, get out with your toddler and walk. Walk on uneven surfaces like grass or sand or dirt, mulch, anything that's uneven, a curb or a cracked sidewalk. If you can't get out, stay in and build your own uneven surfaces. So I've made this pathway so that you can kind of see, but this would be something that your toddler could help you create, or you could create two and play together. This is what we did. Now, if I had couch cushions, they're a little bit harder. I grabbed some soft pillows so that there's a variety of surfaces and different places to walk. You can roll up a towel and put it under a scatter rug to make bumps and other places to get. Now, this comes along a little bit later. First, you'll have them sit, and after they've helped you construct it or watched you construct it, they're ready. They're going to count to 5. And the challenge is to get from one end to the other, and you're waiting for them at the finish line. The job is to do it walking without falling, unaided from start to finish. It is a blast. If you need a little bit more of a challenge, here's a couple of other things you can do. Hide a few things along the way so that they will have to stop and pick it up. You'll have to carry it with both hands and have to work for that body balance. Again, trying to get to the end without falling. If you want to try something even more different, have them start off carrying a precious treasure, something silly, and they have to take it to the finish line to present to the king. Finally, if you want to tiptoe, you can crawl on all 4s, you can climb, you can change the challenge, but get them involved and work on those uneven surfaces, because the great thing about this, terrific for visual spatial awareness and depth perception. So they're going to be able, when they're flying around outside, to take that curb or that obstruction that they don't notice, and they're going to be able to fly right on by without tripping and falling. So practice on those uneven surfaces, get out and play. This is Nancy, Discovery at Home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at Home.